barely see that mountain over there. It'll be gone in a little bit.
Oh wow. Wow, there it is right there. Moving in. See that? It's all covered in right there.
Oh. Blue skies meet Habibi. Habibi. How pretty that looks over there with the kaboom! I'm glad you didn't wash any of my cars.
Oh, the mountain's gone.
Huh?
Cactus Mountain's gone.
Cactus Mountain's gone?
Oh, there it is. I see some of the antennas. So that's 19th Avenue. 19th Avenue, we're on 35th Avenue. It's right here.
It is coming.
Something wicked this way comes. I'm glad I saged the house. We're going to need it. We're going to need it to survive this one. This is pretty bad. All the kids are downstairs in the sub basement.
In the fallout shelter.
With the 30 years of food. Okay. Good.
Zombie apocalypse. We're prepared.
Yeah, we're prepared. Oh, I forgot to put the bullets in. Just kidding. Ooh, Cactus Mountain is totally gone. Totally gone.
It is?
Yeah, totally.
Oh. Come back over here where you began shooting. It's gone.
Yeah. Yeah, gone. It's right then. It's like a block away. Oh, look at that. Look at those dark clouds right there. Oh, it's like right at our door. It's like right here. Oh, look at right there.
Where?
It's like right here now. Oh, wow.
Look, you can see it going up.
Yeah, right here. That's right at our door. We're surrounded. I don't hear any birds. I don't hear any traffic.
Stay off the roads.
Stay off the roads. I wonder if that's what it was.
Yeah, because on the east side.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, we better get inside.
It's right there in the house. Marley!
Come on, Marley. Let's go inside. Our boots here.
It's right there too, huh?
Yeah, you can totally see it moving. Can you see right there?
The city is on fire.
What happened to Cactus Mountain?
We are being sacked. The city is being sacked. Oh, shit. Look at that. Right above us, guys. I'm headed towards the door with my lovely wife now. Let's see what happens.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh,
jeez.
Man, we're like totally like engulfed, surrounded. Like, it's not so bad it's going on over there, but this is the one that's right here. We're about to be nailed. Oh, you can see, you can't see through it. It's a radiation cloud. It's coming for you. Oh, it's right there. Look at it, right there. The edge.
I can
right here.
Over in it.
We're surrounded by it, but there it is right there.
I can taste it.
You can taste
I
it?
am going inside.
All right, I'm going to stay out here for a second. Oh, here comes the wind. The wind's starting to pick up.
Debris! We have debris!
Debris. We got cows, man. We got cows coming. There's the edge. I can't taste nothing. I'm just glad I got my inhaler. There it is. The wind is picking up.
We should retreat, honey.
Okay, go inside, baby.
Babe! You're gonna get it. It's here!
It's here. It has hit us. We're in it now. Here it is. Calling live from within the beast. Hold on to something. Oh, dirt's getting in my eye now. Oh. I'm coming. I gotta make sure the horses are tied down. I gotta make sure the dog is okay. I gotta make sure the tarp on the pool's okay. Live. Oh yeah, dirt. My phone is now covered with dust. You hear alarms. Okay, I'm going in now.